Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Classification of plants. Plants are classified into biological classification, agricultural classification, and classification based on life cycle. In the biological classification, we have the algae, the bryophyta, and the tracheophyta. The algae include red, green, and brown algae. They are mostly seaweeds, for example, the Spirogyra and the Cladospora. The bryophyta have no true roots, stems, and leaves, for example, the mosses and the liverworts. Tracheophyta have true leaves, stems, and roots, and contain vessels that circulate fluids. They could also be said to be vascularized. For example, the ferns, the horsetail seeds, the plant gymnosperms, and flowering plants. Agricultural classification include plants with fiber, plants with oil, plants with latex, cereals, fruits, legumes, root crop, spices, vegetable, and beverages. Plants with fiber range from jute to cotton, oil palm, date palm, and the cactus, while plants with oil include oil palm, castor oil, coconut, groundnut, linseeds, melon seeds, and cotton seeds. Plants with latex include the para rubber and the milk bush. Cereals include rice, guinea corn, maize. Fruits include citrus, pineapples, mangoes, and pawpaw, etc. While legumes include cowpea, soybean, groundnut, and beans. Root crop include cassava, potato, yams, and cocoyam. Spices are pepper and ginger, while vegetables include fluted pumpkins, tomato, lettuce, and the amaranthus. Beverages are coffee, kola nut, cocoa, and the cane sugar, which is popularly known as the sugar cane. Classification based on life cycle include the ephemerals, the annuals, the biennials, and the perennials. Ephemerals are plants that have few weeks cycle. For example, the amaranthus and waterleaf. While annuals are plants with 1 year life cycle. For example, we have the rice, the yam, the maize, the garden eggs, the tomato under this annual plant. Biennials are flowering plants whose life cycle lasts 2 years. For example, the carrots and the onions. Perennials are plants with more than 2 years life cycle. They include mangoes, oil palm tree, cashew tree, oranges, and guava tree. Effect of agricultural activities on ecological systems. Some activities like bush clearing, bush burning, tillage, application of chemicals have their effect on ecological system. Bush clearing tampers with the climatic vegetation. It reduces food for herbivores, encourages erosion, reduces oxygen circulation, and encourages migration of animals. In bush burning, rodents retreat deeper into their burrows. Organic content of the soil are reduced in bush burning. Microorganisms and smaller animals like termites are all killed in bush burning. In tillage, topsoil easily mixes with subsoil. Planting and harvesting are made easier. Obstacles like roots, storms, stolons, and rhizomes are easily removed in tillage. Erosion is prevented when ridges are made across slope. If otherwise, erosion is encouraged. In tillage, soil organisms like earthworm and microorganisms are exposed. In the application of chemicals, fertilizer and herbicide application improve crop yield. These chemicals can be washed into rivers, streams, etc., where they can poison aquatic life. Weeds can easily grow after fertilizer application. Land can easily be polluted by these chemicals, and crumb texture of soil is destroyed with prolonged usage. The effect of farming on ecological system is that 1. Shifting cultivation encourages deforestation. Animal production is affected using shifting cultivation. 3. Commercial trees are also affected. Crop rotation makes the soil nutrient to be stable. Erosion is minimized using cover crops. Migration is observed due to unstable nature of the fauna. Planting across slopes prevents sheet and gully erosion. Arable farming using irrigation encourages food production in areas like northern region. Commercial farming system used by river basin development authorities have helped in boosting food production. Mechanized farming applied in the savannah due to less trees have paid off, even though presently it is capital intensive. And also, monocropping causes the loss of soil nutrients as well as spread of pests and diseases.